Hello friends, here are some very common verbs which can have either of the two prepositions, depend on and depend upon. For example, it depends on me or it depends upon me, and in and end with. For example, some words end in ing or some words end with ing. Improve on and improve upon. For example, this is an improvement on that, or this is an improvement upon that. Prevail on and prevail upon. For example, I can prevail on him or I can prevail upon him. Rely on or rely upon. For example, I rely on his statement or I rely upon his statement. Abound in and abound with. For example, the jungle abounds in wild animals or the jungle abounds with wild animals. Conform to and conform with. For example, it conforms to the instructions or it conforms with the instructions. I repeat, it conforms to the instructions or it conforms with the instructions. For more such informative videos, please subscribe to this channel and like and share this video. Thanks.